5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Court refuses to short circuit procedure, declines plea on Prophet Muhammad remarks. Para. The Supreme Court declined to short circuit standard legal procedures on Monday, refusing to entertain an oral plea to take direct cognizance of derogatory remarks allegedly made by BJP Minority Morcha leader and social media influencer Najia Ilahi Khan against Prophet Muhammad. Full stop. Next para. Addressing counsel who made the oral mentioning, a vacation bench of Justice Amanullah and Silanagu said it would not risk the hierarchical system for filing complaints go haywire. Full stop. Next para. Justice, Amanullah said the issue raised in the plea was very grave, but the procedure of filing a complaint with the police first, followed by due investigation must be strictly followed. Full stop. Parties cannot rush to be Supreme Court as the first port of call. Full stop. The bench criticized the rising tendency to bypass due procedure laid out by the law. Full stop. Next para. Counsel, who orally mentioned the public interest petition, comma, said the remarks allegedly made by Mrs. Khan may disturb the communal harmony across the country. Full stop. So you file a PIL question mark. Why come here? Question mark. Have you filed a complaint with the police? Question mark. Why don't you have faith in the system? Question mark. Justice Amanullah questioned the lawyer. Full stop. Next para. Justice Amanullah said the Supreme Court was also part of the system. Full stop. We are only at it affects. Full stop. We are here to monitor, comma, the judge said. Full stop. Next para. The bench said if very litigant or prospective complainant choose the sideline, the police and the courts below, comma, the approach the Supreme Court, comma, the entire system would turn out chaotic. Full stop. If a litigant starts short circuiting the system, comma, the other functionaries would simply raise their hands and do nothing. Full stop. If you go to them and give them a chance to act or decide on your complaint, comma, it would be an eye opener for us, comma, and we would also be able to see if these functionary are working are not, comma, Justice Amanullah said.